Very good morning, friends. I was just doing some research. Anyway, let me remove all this because I don't think. So let's look at what happened today. And while we are looking at what happened today, I'll also just would like to bring forth few things, my thoughts. Or see if we remember uh, all the whether it is Modi or Amit Shah, they were saying on 4th June buy stocks. This was uh, bullish claims uh, were coming. If you remember, Modi said stock market will hit record high on 4th of June. Now the point is not whether it did hit the fourth record high. The point I would like to bring forth is slightly different. Did the Modi or uh, Amit Shah or the people, the politicians or our leaders had an idea that there could be huge short selling coming? I think these are the thoughts we need to ponder upon. If we see, let's look at the FI data. If you know if you are observing this data of the FIs, they have been continuously selling. Okay, they have been continuously selling in the equity market for not just few days. They have been selling for a lot of months. Yeah, I'm sure you know every day. You look at that. 2,000 sold, 160 crores sold. So this is the data which we have been receiving. Let's look at the monthly. In fact, I think only today or last 2 days back, this is the data of maybe before the exit poll. But if you see May month, April month, Jan, most of the months they have been selling. Now they have, of course, they would have bought it back. That's a different, uh, what do you say, both the markets. Okay, let's put it both the markets. So this is the data the FIs have been. So the FIs definitely would have known that market will give a correction and market can possibly they can buy. Therefore, of course, let us understand they have not sold the complete positions they have. They are reducing their stocks wherever they feel the stock is overvalued. Sometimes stock is overvalued. Like for example, we can take Bemel. Uh, the value of the stock, if you look at the P value, all that fundamentally, it is overvalued. So definitely they must be exiting. They're reducing their positions. See, they would have bought most of the FIs. They have bought at the very nascent stage because they have idea of the stock. They would have bought the stock somewhere at 1,000 or 800 levels also during the IPOs, right? So two things here. The FIs have been selling, of course, the DIs have been buying because definitely the Modi government can push internally to buy, but they cannot push the FIs to buy also. So definitely the FIs knew something, they have been selling, and now for sure, after this crash of today's of 8%, 10%, I'm sure they will slowly start buying in stocks. And after the coalition government, I don't think the retailers would be very happy, or rather, in fact, they have shown that there's one is they have shown they're smart, and they have also shown that Now, of course, BJP has survived because you cannot throw away BJP, or I mean, you cannot say that BJP is very bad. These are my views. Please understand, these are my views. I'm not against for anybody or for anybody. But if you also realize, UP, uh, the Uttar Pradesh results. If you see the election results, let's look at UP election result. They have now, okay, I think it has already come here. So if you see here, uh, they have got they have lost 29 seats, whereas Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh has gained 32 seats. Okay, let's look at even I think Delhi. Let us see what is the status in Delhi. Of course, Delhi, I think they have won. Amwadi, which says zero leading. So I'm from Bangalore, so let me look at Karnataka as well. Because later I think I might forget. So in Karnataka, it is good. BJP is leading. So now we are going towards a coalition government. Now, is the stock market going to crash furthermore? Is the stock market going to build up, go up? Is something which I think we need to uh, think of. While we are discussing this, I want you to bring your attention to this uh, video, which, or rather, this view which I had shared a few days back. I'm sure you must be thinking why I'm bringing this. Point number one, I'm not telling that uh, that I knew about this. It is not about that. Of course, we were had a lot of hints as per the charts. We will discuss on the charts as well. But here in this video, if you
and
notice,
T20. There is a in
we did discuss
in
that there is a
index.
good strong support at these levels. See, one is we need to understand market is definitely or was definitely
See, there
is
is a
still
gap here.
very valued. You cannot
Okay,
go
most of
when you know
the
the
node now
value of the
in index
shirt
market
or
tends
or
to
the
lose this gap.
manufacturing cost
So
of
there
the
is a quite a
car
good
is
chance that
just
this is
about
also
3
going to be
lakhs. Why will
this
you
is also
go?
going to be a very
So I was mentioning here
uh,
that it's a very
strong
strong
support area. All right.
area of support
If
because there's a gap.
at all during
When I
this
say
exit
strong
polls, if
area of
it
support,
hits near these
that
levels,
it doesn't mean the market has to come,
20,800 or
but it again
yeah,
depends on the
21,000,
operators whether
there
they
will be
want
a
to
very
bring it, they
strong
don't
rally
want to bring it.
upwards,
But
and we may see
please go back, check this
25,000
video, please
levels,
comment, and we will
or rather,
discuss.
at least the
Do
time it
comment here
touches these levels,
on the
there is a
video
possibility that we see a good
on this
strong
video, or definitely I get to know
green
the
candle.
view comments. Most of them have
But we will have to
most of
see.
the times
There are a
my
lot of other
the
things we
comments
need
of
to
course
check.
have always
Okay,
been
it
that
doesn't
my
just
voice
the
is low.
charts.
Yes,
If you
my
look at
voice
just charts
is
and then trade,
definitely a little
I'm sure
lower.
you
I
will
am not
make a
high
lot of
pitched
errors.
voice, so I
Having
will
said that,
definitely try and do
what is that I'm
this
expecting
consciously. I'll have to
today?
do it.
I'm expecting
It's
a
going to be a little tough
possibility
because
of a gap down.
generally
But this level of
when you are in public,
49,000 is a very
mostly you
strong
tend to
level.
be a little shy away because
49,864 or
it's a
860,
unconscious
880 to be
uh,
precise, or triple eight to be precise.
thing.
Below
Okay,
this level,
so this is
I
the
see
video. I want
expect
you to
price
go
to
look at
go
it,
up to
and
48,70,
let's go back to the
or
charts of
let me
today.
just
What happened
go
and
to a
what
low
is
time
that?
frame that you
Let
usually
me
go
just
through.
pause this
So
video.
below the levels of
Uh,
4880,
I request please go back. I also made some videos how at the top for beginners where you can look at. Let me show you that video as well. So go to, where is this? Okay, go to the channel, and there is a playlist. If you go to the playlist, there is a playlist which is reliance in. So here I have made a couple of videos. What are the indicators? In fact, there is one video of one of the. I wouldn't say this is the best
hi
indicator, but
friends,
rather I would
and
say I've shared some
I'm sure
ideas
most of
how to
you
use
have
this
been,
indicator.
you know,
Okay. So do
uh,
go here,
without just
check what
for an
how you can
TP,
utilize
you get
this
so you here with
indicator,
the
whether
length.
it is useful to test it
You
or
might
paper trade it.
look at the
Please
candle
understand,
which it is given. It is given to the
you cannot just
50%.
right away go ahead and
I'm talking about the high.
use anything
Now,
without
for
testing
an
it.
additional confirmation,
So do the testing and
type vortex.
please share your valuable feedbacks on how your test paper trading went, and then I'll see what other indicators are there available because I don't use indicators. But yes, as a beginner, we need some tools, right? We need some tools to analyze the market, or rather understand, and then slowly, you start realizing that it is all about price, it is all about fundamentals, it is all about the operators. So once you start analyzing, start somewhere and start now. Don't uh, keep postponing because until we learn, understand the market. So now, when I say learn, understand, let us look at the charts here. If you see the chart here, in fact, I had more waves here where I had, I think, there is the so here. In fact, I think if you've seen my previous charts, I had shared this somewhere here. I think, and I had mentioned that we can expect this fall. So this is a waves theory, which is a little complex. I can't say it is bad, but definitely it is good. But the timing of entries, timing of exits is something you have to analyze, and it takes time. But definitely the waves, the market respects the numbers, numerology, wave theory, and all that. So earlier, in fact, now I'm very bullish on HDFC Bank. Most of you must be remembering I am bullish on bank, and it hit the 1,700. Once you realize it is not crossing certain levels, we start understanding there is some seller, somebody is there selling it, bringing it down. But yes, on a longer term perspective, this stock is excellent. We are very sure, very confident that this should move up to 3000 levels. Here again, you see I have made waves on the higher time frame, but we'll also have to look at the lower time frames. So we will uh, see because this level has been respected. We'll have to see whether if this breaks, then or rather I can't say breaks. If it is if this doesn't sustain, then there is a possibility that may come further down to these levels. So we will look at these aspects and trade, but definitely the bank is one of the top banks across, not just across India, across the globe in terms of the revenue and the weightage. So uh, just let us also look at some of the stocks which people have been investing in, like Suzlon Energy. uh, Suzlon Energy, yes, made a good nice high today, but then came down. I think there was a strong resistance at this area from a long time. This was in a kind of a triangle. It did break out to trap, but I wouldn't say this is a fake breakout. I feel this may come inside again, trade, and then go up. So we will have to see the pattern what it creates. See, right now I have drawn this pattern. It may just again slowly start moving up like this also. Okay. So please do your own research analysis. Whatever tools you can utilize, use them, understand. But the market is a game of numbers. Market is a game of fundamentals analysis. Trade safely. Don't be overconfident. Don't put. There's a famous saying: "Don't put all eggs in one basket." Segregate sectors. Right now, I think HDFC Bank is good. Wipro, is good. TCS is TCS. In fact, I've been mentioning that I'm looking to enter, and today I think it made a low. This was an excellent move or excellent price to enter. I feel. Uh, Nevertheless, if you also see here, look at the charts here. Market respects the charts. Okay. Overall, it is bullish, but also remember it is trading in this range. So you know where now to enter. I have talked about the charts. It's very clear, visible. If you look at this chart also, this is where chart I was thinking, this is where I might enter, but then since it was still moving down, I did not want to buy. I wanted to buy the dips. Today was a good buy, of course, but I don't feel it is we missed an opportunity because again it will come down sometime and then give us an opportunity where we can buy and move up. So please do your research. Uh, no stock is bad, no stock is excellent. All stocks are good. Uh, when there's an opportunity, you need to analyze and strike. They say, strike while the iron is hot, right? So here, if you see IRCTC was trading in this channel for a for some time, and then look at the nice breakout, right? So I'm showing this, what you can say, charts over here so that you can also analyze, understand. So right now it is trading in this range, but then if it doesn't, if the operator wants, he can break it out, come bring it down to this level again also. So whenever that happens, you have to take an exit. It is it's not about the stop. Your that your analysis is wrong. It is just that the retail the operator wants to buy at a cheaper level. So he will he will he will push the market further down and buy at the cheaper levels. That is where you need to look at and enter. So I've been talking about some stocks here, like reality stocks. I've been talking like Real Brigade. I've been talking about Puravankara. Puravankara, we bought somewhere at 90, 100, 200, sorry, 150 levels, and went up to 400 also. Uh, I think Godrej uh, properties is again coming to a good level where you can re-enter. So wait and keep watch of these stocks. Uh, right now, you definitely, I'm sure, people will have the question: can we buy this stock or buy the stock? So go to the other thing. I think at the whenever the market falls, it's a common scenario that uh, reality stocks, the FMCG stocks are positive. See here, Dabur is doing well. Hindustan Unilever is doing, DMart is and positive today. I think DMart is a stock where we should make drawings. Okay, let it be. So okay. So DMart has given a retracement. I think it is a good entry level now. Marico seems to be given a breakout here. It is sustaining. So definitely for sure we should see 750 levels coming in couple of months in Marico. And then you have Godrej, Britannia, Hero Motocorp. All these are giving good positive moves. Should not miss when there's an opportunity. So focus on these stocks at the moment, whichever is moving well. I think let's look at Tata Consumer. So it is trading in this range, so you can If there's a breakout with good volumes, and then we can slowly enter this stock as well. Major retracement I think has been done. Went high, it is way low. It may stay here for some more time and then start going up. If the operator wants to bring it down, yes, he can. But looks like a good entry level at 1,000 levels. So make a sip if you want to select whichever stock you feel comfortable. But I'm just showing you some of the stocks which are there. Like the Nifty 50, much better. I think now people say, sir, Adani is fallen. Is this a good time to buy? Yes, but then when there's coalition government, we'll have to see how far Adani is going to get the support. So SBI is given a dip, BPCL, LNT is definitely a good stock, which we should not miss. ABB is a good stock. Uh, Steel, of course, Tata Steel is definitely good. It is giving corrections. Let us wait for further corrections and start adding them. Having said that, I thank you all for bearing, our low voice. Uh, I will try and see how best I can keep it consciously. So just looking, go through, brushing through the stocks. Tata Motors, Grasim, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Eicher Motors, NFC Life. I think again, we will see some nice. If it sustains this trend line support, we should see some again, some boost upside, and then the history can repeat itself. So Bajaj Auto has been trying to break out this flag. It's not really completely broken out, but if it does not break, looks like a breakout at the moment. If it is able to sustain uh, 9,000 to 80 for some more days without coming into this zone or going below this zone, we should see some uh, 11,000 coming in Bajaj Auto. ABB has done a very positive move, and now profit booking is happening in this counter. So these are a few findings, observations, uh, but do remember that there's a good support for Nifty at 20,400 levels. So every dip is now an opportunity to go long for 25,000 also. We will also look at mid cap. Mid cap also, nice positive dip. I can say it is also at the trend line support. So doesn't mean that it has to take support. It can break. It will definitely break, move down, consolidate, and start slowly moving up. So thanks, viewers, friends, for your likes, and please do share this channel with your friends. Also click on the get notified button when you like and subscribe. Uh, Notify button is to notify you that there's a new video posted. So thank you. God bless you all. Take care and love you. Bye bye.